Hey guys, it's me again, Om from TechKid, and today I'm going to be talking about how to use a print statement and get people to name in Python. So I'm starting to make these Python videos, and I'm gonna try and have this as like a little extension for my, YouTube channel. So I hope you like it. I'm gonna make a lot of Python videos talking about Python and programming and stuff, but I'll still make regular tech videos just like you know it. Okay, let's get started. Just keep my CPU up here so I can see. And first, let's download a Python IDE. So I just go to Thonny IDE right here. Let it just load up. Okay, then we have to go to Thonny, this Python IDE for beginners. I'll leave this website in the description. It's https://thonny.org, and here it is. It's like a little kind of like it has some kind of variables and stuff like this, and we'll go through all of this in our videos for Python. And so it's like a beginner kind of IDE for Python programmers, and it's really easy to use, and it gives very good help if you need it. So you just press Windows and then it will download, and you can just download the app. Okay, now I'm just gonna go and open up my newly opened app. Okay guys, now that I'm in my newly installed app, this is how it will look. You'll have just like this. And this is how, as soon as you download it, this is how it should look like. So first I'm going to show you how to print something. And a print statement is fairly easy, and it consists of a command, brackets, quotations, and whatever you want to write. So I'm going to show you right now. I just put print on the first line here, and then you just need to go Shift 9 0 to get your brackets. And then we just have to go Shift and double quotations like this. Okay? So this is how you can write a print statement. And anything, you see where my writer stick is pointing? Yeah, anything you want to write in there, you can say whatever, like hi. Let's say hi. It's my first time using Python. So now you have to press, once you're done writing whatever you want to write, just like this. You can write what I write, so just so you won't get any errors on the way. And let's press this button right here. It'll ask us to save it. And you just go down to our Python series. Okay, we just need to go down to the, let's just take that off, and let's just put it to our desktop and say episode 1 of Python. Okay, now we'll save that. See, it printed what we put in here. And if you want to run it again, just to make sure you did it properly, just press the green thing again and say it twice. Now, let's say if you're wondering, why do we have to put brackets around here? So you have your print statement like this. And when you run it, here, your assistant pops up because it says, oh, there's an invalid syntax. Syntax is how Python can read your program. So let's just put these brackets back. And Here it is. It came back again. This is like your assistant. It'll pop up if you have like any errors or anything. So I'm going to keep that closed right now. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to get people's name in Python. So first, we're going to have to make a variable. A variable holds some kind of information. So let's make a variable called name. Just like how you started in the first line, let's just go print name and space equal space. That's how you make a variable. Now, whatever you want to put after this space here, you could write whatever you want. We want to get people's name. So we're going to have to do an input statement. An input statement asks people for what their name is. So first we have to put input just like this. And it has to be purple like this, or you did something wrong. Variables have to be black. Equal have to be black. Input always has to be purple. Then we do a space. We do our brackets again. And our quotations again. And here. Now we can put in whatever you want to ask. I'm going to say, hi, what is your name? Question mark. And then after all you say, and before the double quotation, you have to, like right there with my thing, you have to put a space. That's what you have to do for input statements to make your code look nice and clean. See, at the bottom in the shell, it says, hi, what is your name? Let me put because that's my name, Now you just want to press enter, and that's how an input statement works. And you can then, after you got this information, you go to the back. You see where my righty thing is? You want to go there with your typer thing and press enter. You'll make a new line. See, now it says 2 lines. And you want to do a print statement again. So print our brackets, our quotations, double quotations, and then now you want to print your name is who, like this, and a space. And now we're going to do something different than our other print statement. We're going to press, you see where my thing is? Right beside the bracket and beside the double quotation. You want to do comma, space, and our variable name. So now press the little green button, and it says, hi, what is your name? Well, my name is so I'm going to put and then I'll say your name is because that's what I put in. If you're thinking, oh, this kid, he just gonna make it so he just prints his name and it doesn't work for anybody else's name, well, I'm gonna show you how to do it with some other guy's name. Just run the current script again using this green button. Let's say your name is, well, let's say Tim. So you put Tim like that, and then you enter, and then it'll say your name is Tim. So it actually takes whatever you put in. And a third test, just to see, even if you put in some random letters and numbers, see, it'll say your name is whatever you put in. Okay, guys, that's enough for season 1 season 1 episode 1 for Python programming. I'll see you in the next I'll see you in the next one. And if you like my videos, consider subscribing and please give a like, and see you later.